Hello everyone, welcome to Officer 24/7. My name is Niharika Valia Bhatnagar and I am with you with the specific area of JIB May 2024. Today I'm going to talk about the basic area of do you know you can get these free questions from us, whatever we are teaching in terms of AFM and all other subjects as well, and that too not only in bilingual but in English medium as well. That means if you're planning for this examination and you are following us on YouTube and you feel that you are in dire need of all these questions so that you can practice it on the last day, what options are we providing to help you out? So for that, first of all, let me tell you the yes, the questions are available, but for that you just need to do a little things. First of all, please download the app. Before downloading the app, you will not be able to review the particular courses at all. So please download the app first. Once you've downloaded the app now, then you can, this is our website overall. If you go through the app, then that would be a better option. For this, what you can do is you have to go to our YouTube channel. Just go to our YouTube channel, everyone. Once you go to our YouTube channel, first of all, share the session, everyone, before continuing further. Now, once you go onto our YouTube channel, then find out on officers Adda 24/7. You know, in this case, all you need to do is go to any of our courses. Okay, we have different classes going on. Open up officers Adda 24/7. Open up the specific area altogether. For example, this is one of my videos for company accounts. I hope you can see that. If you go to the specific area, you just have to go down, click on more where you can see the description. In the description area, we are given download JIB most important questions. For JIB, click this specific area. It will directly take you to our app installation. Once you have installed the app, then things are different for you altogether. Okay, so this is directly taking to you towards the area of app overall. So once you have downloaded the app, then it will not redirect to you to download the app anymore. In your phones, once you have downloaded the app, it will open up the specific PDF. But what PDF, everyone? Are those questions good even? That is part that you can decide. So in this case, what I can discuss is all the questions that we are giving in the most important question area. Just a glance of it so that you can actually choose whether you want those PDFs or you're looking forward to more detailed classes as well. So everyone, for this, what are we going to do? I'm going to show you with this session, we'll be attaching the specific free question bank as well. For the JIB, all the questions that we're coming up are added here. So you can check it out on our website and our app for further details. The best thing is to download the app in your phones so that the particular app becomes handy to you and you can look forward towards our courses at the minimum downtime. Acha. Look at this, everyone. This is our free question bank we provided for JIB examination, bilingual English medium both. Individual batches for the following subjects are also available: IE and FS, PPP, AFM and RBWM. Done, everyone? Let's look at the first question now. Let's learn a few things as well. Which of the following is not an application of break-even analysis? Break-even is what, everyone? Break-even is a situation where no profit, no loss is there. Appraisal of the term loan, setting up price of the product, comparative profitability, or determining the minimum operating levels. So in this case, what's going to be the answer? Appraising the term loans. Appraisal of the term loans is basically what? If I look at the appraisal now, appraisal means we are looking at just reviewing the term loans. In this case, it is setting up the selling price. When we are getting a loan, we know that our fixed expenses are going to increase. Profitability analysis can be done only if you know the break-even point. Determining the minimum operating level will also be based upon this. So in this case, the correct answer is going to be setting the selling price. This is based upon our profitability. Done, everyone? The answer is B. Break-even analysis can help in what? Maximizing the losses, minimizing the profits, determining the minimum level of activity for operation, or increasing fixed costs. Everyone, it can never increase the fixed cost because it is that level at which our fixed cost is all recovered. Everyone, break-even analysis. Break-even analysis would do what? Under break-even analysis, what will we do is we will find out that minimum level at which we should work. That means are all the costs are covered through the revenue. That is why we call it break-even. What is the purpose of segregating cost into fixed and variable in marginal costing? There's a very strong reason. Due to the segregation of costing, we have a better situation. Why? I know what are the things in my books of accounts more clearly than variable and fixed cost. Fixed means which remains the same at a given set of output, while the variable cost keeps on changing. So in this case, why do we do it? To allocate the cost accurately, to allocate the cost to different products, to understand the cost behavior and its profitability, or none of the above. Actually, we do this to note down our whatever profit and losses are going to be there. Done. So in this case, the correct answer is it is done to understand the cost behavior and the impact on profitability. Next point, everyone. What does the marginal costing offer in deciding sales price during adverse environment or recessions? During the worst part, what does marginal costing says? Marginal says that you should do your work only to the extent that your variable costing can be covered and your fixed cost can be covered. Just try that your at least expenses and losses are covered completely. It provides accurate allocation of fixed cost. It provides flexibility in adjusting price based on variable cost. It allows the precise forecasting of future sales. It simplifies inventory management. With the marginal costing, we can find out at what level we should work. At what level we can work is B. What advantage does the marginal costing offer in cost control? Marginal costing provides a very good help in terms of cost control. But the term marginal exclusively means variable cost. So it provides detailed analysis of fixed cost. It allows precise allocation of overhead cost, or it offers effective plans for cost control. It simplifies budgeting process. I think when we talk about the cost marginal costing now, it is related to the variable costing. Variable means which can be controlled. So that means if it can be controlled, we can plan properly. If we can plan properly, then it is something that we can say that the answer is it provides effective plans for cost control. It offers more effective cost control because you know now whether you can control things or not. That clarity can come with it only. Done. Next point. What assumption is the marginal costing may not hold in practice? Fixed costs do not vary. or variable cost directly vary to volume, inventory valuation is realistic, or sales price remains constant regardless of the production or sales. But yes, that's true. Marginal costing is focusing upon variable cost. It talks about fixed asset, it talks about variable costing, it talks about inventory as well, but it never talks about the sales. Sales is something which it cannot predict. That's one particular part which is totally unpredictable. Done, everyone? Then comes the next point. A firm, the correct answer to question number 6 is D. A firm manufactures thermometer, fixed cost is given, variable cost is 120, and selling price is this. During the year, they sold 3,000 thermometers. What is the profit of the firm? Selling price minus variable cost. Selling price is 160. Variable cost is 120. The cost comes out to be 40. है ना? If it comes out to be 40, then this is my variable cost for 3,000 thermometers. 4 3s are 12. This is 1,20,000 is my contribution. From contribution, remove your fixed cost. That means we are left with 20,000. This 20,000 is what? This 20,000 is my profit. The rule is selling price minus variable cost is equal to contribution. Total contribution has to be taken if you're removing fixed cost, which is total, and then we have the remaining amount. Done, everyone? Done. So this is the overall format. So in this case, my answer comes out to be 7th. The answer is A. If you are wondering where you will find the answer to these questions, it would be given at the end, everyone. Next question. Acha, if you like this session, now please share it among your peers. Click on the thumbs up button. That means like the session. What does the break-even point signify? The point at which the company starts making profit, the point at which revenue is equal to variable cost, when total revenue is equal to total expenses, and the last one, variable cost exceeds fixed cost. Everyone, this is a situation. Break-even point is whatever we are putting, we're getting the same. Done. Next question. What is that one of the uses of break-even point or CVP analysis mentioned? Predicting the market competition, determining optimal production levels, then assessing supply chain or comparing relative profitability of different products. Break-even analysis helps us to find out at what level the production should be done. So in this case, the basic clarity that comes in this specific area altogether is D. You can compare relatively profitability. Relative profitability matlab comparing the two areas, two products, two things. Whether which particular scenario will give us the money back. Now comes, how is margin of safety calculated? But at the first level that affects a business is the first level that affects a business is always the break-even point. Matlab, can I recover the money or not? That's the first level stress a particular organization faces. So in this case, how's the margin of safety? By subtracting break even from actual sales, estimated sales by break even sales, by subtracting break even from estimated sales, then dividing by estimating sales. So break even sales by estimated. Basically, when we talk about this area, na, whatever our total sales are, the total sales includes our break even point and how do we move forward towards a break even point. So first of all, we have to recover the break even point. Na? Then from the break even, this is the point where we are struggling to get profits. The moment you recover the profits, whatever your left is called your margin of safety. Margin of safety is from total sales, everyone. In this case, it's going to be subtracting break even sales from actual sales, whatever sales we would make. What do you mean by the term margin of safety? Difference between fixed and variable costs? Cushion available in terms of your operations, or sales available, sales that needed to be covered all the costs. Everyone, what does the term margin of safety indicates? Margin of safety is beyond the basic working. In this case, what are we having? The cushion which is available for sustaining operations during adversity. When you face an adverse situation, this is what we do. What is the difference between marginal costing and absorption costing? Marginal costing does not allocate fixed overheads, while absorption costing does. Absorption costing uses cost volume profit. Both methods allocate fixed overhead cost in the same manner. Marginal costing is only used for external reporting. No, actually not. If you look at the entire scenario, na, marginal costing is basically costing which is just looking at variable costs. Absorption is traditional. It says worry about all the areas altogether. Matlab variable plus fixed both. So in this case, the correct answer is going to be marginal does not allocate any kind of costing, while absorption does. What effect does the absorption costing have on valuation of fixed finished goods compared to marginal costing? Absorption is taking everything in control, but in this case, this doesn't take it. So in this case, absorption costing covers lower valuation, nahi. It covers higher valuation, nahi. Then in terms of both of these are used for same valuation, nahi. So in this case, the correct answer, marginal costing cannot be used in stock valuation. This is wrong. Marginal costing in terms of stock valuation cannot be used. It is used in terms of prime cost and all. Nahi. In this case, this would be the answer, B. Reason, this will include the fixed cost plus variable both. So the costing showed in the absorption costing will be way more. Marshall is obsessed with only one thing, variable. Okay? So everyone, as I told you and promised, that this is where you can find the questions, answers in this specific area. So if you are planning to take up our courses, then please hurry up and do it right away, as our courses are currently available at 80% discount. All you need to do is take up our courses. How can we look forward to it, everyone? Let me show you. Go to our website, that is www.adda247.com. Go on to this area of all courses, or go on to the area of JIB and CIB. Click on the area of JIB Mahapack, because Mahapack includes everything. It includes all the courses of our area. That means it includes our current courses, comprehensive batches, the Crash Course 2.0, Crash Course, and even the revision pack, the marathons, mini marathons, Maha marathons, all of these, what you need to do is just use the code Y541 and apply it. You get it for 6298 if you're using the website and 6000 if you're using the app. So please use the app, everyone. Download it right away and get these particular courses at the lowest price. So check it out on our website and our app for further details. Thank you so much for being there, everyone. Bye bye and take care, and don't forget to use the code Y541. Bye bye.